I extend my gratitude to the memory of Muttamidariya Dr. Kalajar Karunanidhi for having sent me to this august house in 1978, 1984 and 1990. I express my gratitude to the Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Mr. M.K. Stalin, who is running the Dravidian model government, for sending me to this upper house in 2019. I was molded by the then leader of DMK Parliament Party, Honorable Mr. Murasali Bharat. Sir, with all humbleness I would submit, I was instrumental in unveiling the portrait of Baba Sahib Dr. Ambedkar in the Central Hall of Parliament by the then Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Vishwanath Pratap Singh. I initiated the call attention for 13 times about the tragedy of Elam Tamils and the genocide committed by the demonic Sinhalese government. I was the only member of parliament in the whole of India who suffered detention under quota for 19 months. I also suffered detention under visa for 12 months. On the whole, I have suffered detention for 5.5 years in the prison. Under quota, I wrote my emotions and happenings in the form of a book titled From the Portals of a Prison, which was released by the then Honorable Prime Minister, Dr. Manmohan Singh on 3rd September 2002 in Chennai. Sir, parting is always sorrowful, painful and also memorable. In this great chamber, I got the privilege of listening to the memorable speeches of the leader of opposition, Honorable Mallikarjun Kharge, Honorable Mr. Derek O'Brien, Honorable Jairam Ramesh, Honorable V. Chidambaram, Honorable Ram Gopal Yadav, Honorable Madam Sonia Gandhi, Honorable Mr. Digvijay Singh, Honorable Tiruchi Siva, Honorable Mr. Wilson, Honorable Mr. Anna Ilango, my sister, Honorable Jaya Bachchan, Comrade Mr. John Britas, Professor Manoj Kumar Jha, Honorable Sanjay Singh, Honorable Dr. Tambidurai, Honorable Sanjay Raut, and Honorable Deve Gowda, and Honorable Sharad Pawar, Honorable Madam Nirmala Sitharaman, Honorable Hardeep Singh Puri, Honorable Ashwini Vaishnav, Comrade Santosh Kerala Mani, Dr. Faiswa Khan, and Priyanka Satirvedi. I can never forget the love and affection showered on me by Mr. John Britas and Professor Manoj Kumar Jha. Two of them and myself were called as 3 musketeers of the house. I will miss all the colleagues of mine in this house.